Hey guys, so guess what just arrived? My order from graffitilager.de. Graffiti Lager sticker, another sticker. What's this? Graffiti Lager. Okay, cool. And these are my new treasures. Okay, what we have here? Oh yeah, this is what? Ah, yeah. I think I got it. This is, you can hide stuff in there, and no one will guess, no one will know. So, but it has no color here. Why they should put a name for a color here. Okay, cool. This is kind of cool. So you can just change it. It has original cap, everything original. This is my new treasure box. Okay, this was the first from Molotov. Oh, here. Oh, this is cool. So many stickers. Okay. Yeah, this is the first one of my new limited editions. Limited edition MTM cans. This is the Cartman. Yeah! With the 4 in his eye. Limited edition Montana colors. The Spanish MTM. Whoa, this is so cool. This is going to be part of my new living room. Okay, cool. This is from artist. Oh, I can't read it. And the internet is what it were much more clearer. Bello, I think. Bello or Beto. Yeah, Beto. This is from artist Beto, limited edition. All these limited edition cans are limited to 500 pieces, or how you say, a number of 500. So there are only 500 of each. This is by artist Beto. This will also be part of my new video set and living room. Okay, the wood box is not best quality, but it's nice. With the MTM on it. They're kinda cool. So, next one, what we have here. Let's see what we have here. MTM, this is Dalek. Okay, this is much more readable. This is cool. Oh, they have different tips on it. This one is white. This one is white too, and this one is black. This is from artist Dalek. Dalek, I don't know how you spell it right. Verde Veneno, poison green. I like this one. This is kinda cool because I like strong colors and I like strong contrasts. So this is nice. Ooh, you will see them in my future videos in the back, like decorating my living room and my studio. Okay, I can't read it, I have to be honest. Kofi, this is cool. This is like abstract like graphic stuff. And it's, oh, it has no color name on it. Which color is it? I actually never, almost never used the MTM colors for painting. I once used them for work in Ireland years ago. But here in Germany I actually never used them for painting. But I like this limited edition. They look so cool. Piece of art on a can. Okay, this is almost it. More stickers, more stickers. Why they sent me so many stickers? Okay, more stickers. Why do they have so many stickers? What will I do with so many stickers? More stickers and stickers and stickers and stickers. Okay, this is it. Cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff. Let's see them again. Yeah, I like them. But actually I don't know if I will use the boxes because they are not like high class quality. But the cans are really cool. What could I possibly hide in here? But it's so cool, so cool. Nice thing. Yeah, this is it, my unboxing of my limited edition MTM cans and my new safe. My new can safe. Okay. See you next time, thanks for watching.